Rangers X features a variety of items that you can collect, craft, and use to enhance your unit's abilities. One such item is the Ranger Crystal. This guide breaks down how to get and use them in the game. You can get Ranger Crystals via challenge and shop in Anime Rangers X. Firstly, completing certain challenges grants you the Ranger Crystal as a reward. For instance, I obtained this item by completing the Green Planet Maps, Chapter 5. You need to open the Area tab, teleport to the challenge section, and join the game to begin the journey. The higher the difficulty, more is the drop rate for the reward. It should be noted that challenges change, and you may encounter a different map chapter that offers you Ranger Crystals. Therefore, find the right challenge and keep grinding it to stack up on these items over time. Secondly, you can purchase the Ranger Crystals from the shop for gems. Interact with the Speed Cart Merchant NPC and look for this item in the pop-up menu. If it's not there, you can wait for the merchant offerings to reset. For me, Ranger Crystals were up for sale for 1,860 gems. Now that you have Ranger Crystals, you can use them to evolve your unit's tier and craft items. Start by teleporting to the Evolve area, where you can upgrade your characters. Enter the tower and go to the Evolve tier NPC King of Shadows on your right. Here, you can spend 10 Ranger Crystals to evolve the tier of your unit from either of the following two options. Next up, exit the Evolve Tower, and right outside, you'll find the Vampire Emperor NPC, who offers the crafting menu. In the crafting items chart, you'll see several materials that have at least some Ranger Crystals requirement in their recipe, including other items as well. I hope you found it useful.